Hello everyone, I am Nanni and this is my channel. Welcome. Today, a new adventure. We built something. This is not new. What is it? Before, comments, like and subscribe please. And now, we start the work. Tires on rims. It's very easy. The rims must go into the tire 90 degrees. Okay. When you reach the half, you turn the rim into the tire and it should go in place. Then a little pressure. Okay. And this is it. No glue is required for these tires because they are very hard. They grip a lot the rim. Another thing here. Here inside there's a hole for air, for passing air. This is good for smoothness, but it's not good for water. So, if you use it into the water, remember to close the hole with a little patch of tissue. Sailing tissue is for sail repairs is the best. There are two types, one waterproofed and the other not. Please use the waterproofed one. Comments, like and subscribe. And otherwise a normal piece of adhesive tape. Right. After mounting all the four tires, I will start mounting following these wonderful Tamiya instruction. First in quality around the world, as they say in the advertising. So, finish mounting this. A nice work that I used to do on my rims is to paint the bolts in silver, aluminium. It's nice, and in this case the central bolt looks like the central hub of the Unimog, so it's quite correct. Super view. Even if the piece is little, I prefer to use a quite large brush. Done. Unimog chassis. Unimog. You have seen the body. It's not finished. We have to do interiors. But to do interiors, we have to understand how much room we have from here to here inside. So we have to build the chassis. In this video, we start from step 1. This is a new chassis for me. I never made this one. And the new thing is that we start from the engine. Usually, Tamiya starts from the diffs. So, start from the engine. This is what we need. So, all the pieces for this phase. First work to do is to put this paper, the protection, and matching the holes. One. Then, pinion. It's better to go with the screw a little bit inside, so it's more easy to find the square face of the shaft. Then we have to mount the engine on the engine mount, and as we have 16 tooth, is it 16? No writings, It's better to be sure. So we make a little sign here. 1, 2, 6. Okay, 16. This and this. And you find 16 wrote there. You need tool, buy Tamiya tool. The best. Not just for Tamiya models. For every use you have. Wonderful. This screwdriver, I own it since about, I don't lie, more than 30 years. Not 13, 30. 32, 34. And perhaps now it's time to change, because here is a little bit smooth. But it works still very well. Very good craft. So, step 1 is finished. Step 2. First diff. And here you will be impressed by how much smart is my mind. I made this for grease. Jokes apart, start mounting all the gears. Grease, 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 grease. So, 1 washer. This is marine grease, so when I go into the water I have no problem. And this is 1. Grease. This is very useful. Grease. No. Gear. Planet. This is the planet because stays inside. Satellite goes around like the moon. Washer. Cover. You have to match this with this. Ba ba ba. Very easy. Then step 3. This is all we need for step 3. So begin with the big one into the other. Then we put the bearing. This I have ordered apart. Then we need a piece that it is this one, and for the other one also this one. Here we mount this cap. This is one. The other one is quite the same. These 2 boys now go here inside. We need 2 bearings to put down there. This one down here. This has to go here in, and this one here inside. Okay, where is the engine? Here. This. There's no play. A little bit. Okay, the engine is on. Grease. It's fantastic grease. I finished the grease. We can close this cover. Okay. We can close it. This one. Yes. If you want a tool like this, it's better to find the one with the friction, so it makes ta 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 and it doesn't over screws. And this is made. Bearings, engine. They say to do this in order not to. This is better. Okay. for the wires, not to force the wires. Okay. Step 5. Okay, 1 and 2. Then this one, the E-clip here. Then we put the gear. You see the hole here is like this and here is like this, but the shaft has this part, so if you put by this way it doesn't come out and you can mount the bearing. So this is right. Part 5 is made. Step 6, quite long. First of all, grease here. Then we put the gear here inside, and then the shaft must go out here. So by this way, another little bit of grease, and we close with the cover. We can mount the transmission shaft. It is, and the nut. This one, black, very nice. Also here, let the nut go a little bit inside the hole. Comments, like and subscribe, thank you. It's more easy to find the flat face of the shaft. Shock absorbers mounts. Okay, then we have these two. Okay, then the rear shocks mount.
The Unimog here. The key. And this is this one. The other one here, like this way. Here. And 3 screws. We need MA3 screws and also these two.
Very nice chassis. I love it. Okay, here we are. This is it for today. Very nice, compact. Ready for the next step, step 7, next one. Part 5 finish here. Hope you found interesting the procedure. Quite a bit long but very precise. I've shown you almost everything I've done. Quick. And comments, like and subscribe. And thank you very much. Up to the next. Bye bye.